How to quickly hack TikTok account. So if you want to hack a TikTok account, then I'll show you in this video. So this video is only for the educational purposes. Don't misuse the video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So I'll show you how hackers hack the account. So the very first method that hackers use to hack your TikTok account is known as phishing. Now, what is phishing? The hacker sends you a link, and as soon as you click on that link, which you will receive on your inbox, then even other accounts like your social media accounts will get hacked, because there are some scripts at the back end of that link which will enter into your mobile or laptop, which can hack your sensitive information. Now let me show you an example. You can go with your Google or your browser, and then you can search for phishing links, or you can simply search for TikTok phishing links and hit the search button, and here are some websites and services that are available for creating the phishing links for stealing people's information. And also there are some people who are coders and developers themselves who can create the phishing links for hacking people's TikTok accounts. So whenever someone sends you a link, you have to verify that before you click on that. Now the second method for hacking the TikTok accounts is another type of phishing, but a little bit different. In this method, the hacker sends you the same kind of link, and as soon as you click on that link, it will take you to the TikTok's login page. So the TikTok login page will be appeared, and as soon as you enter your username and password or email address or password in those fields and press the login button, your credentials which you enter into those fields are sent to the hacker, and this is how they can log in or your TikTok account gets hacked. And the third type of phishing is social media hacking. Now you may have seen some tutorials on YouTube which promise you for viewing the private TikTok accounts or doing such kind of things, and these tutorials ask you to install any third-party applications or go to any online services for doing these activities. And when you download those kind of mods, they will ask you to enter your TikTok login details, and when you enter those details in those third-party applications, your TikTok account will get hacked, because your email and password are sent to the owners of those mods. And now let's see how you can recover your TikTok account if it was hacked. So what you need to do is simply go to the Google and follow the steps. Search for TikTok Help Center, and here you need to simply again tap on TikTok Support or Help Center, and here go with the search and search for hacked. And once you search for hacked, now you need to scroll down, and here you need to go with Report a Problem. Once you tap on Report a Problem, which will take you to the Report a Problem page, where you need to simply go with the upper right, which has that edit or a note icon, and here you need to tap on Tell us your feedback, and here you need to write that, hi, my name is this and this, and my TikTok username is this and this, and I woke up this morning and got to know that my TikTok account has been hacked, and my email, phone number and password have been changed, and not being able to access my TikTok account which belongs to me. And you need to share your TikTok profile. You just need to simply go with TikTok and copy your link of your account, and then paste that link and write, kindly check my login history, verify my account and get my account back. And once you enter that, just tap on submit, and once you've submitted, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.